Alrighty, Croak. You get to play as a frog on a fast-paced platformer where you grapple with your tongue. So, and I forgot the art style's so good. Oh my god, that's insane. You already start us off. We're just in it. That's it. Okay, cool. Hold A to jump in. Okay. Okay, so far, okay, there. Yeah, I can feel it. I can see it. Here, well, damn, you're making me. Okay, that. Oh, I was like, okay, is it death? No, it is death. Yeah. There's something that's like, how do you get the? I had good momentum over there a minute ago. Oh, you just pulled me straight up. Okay. Oh, I can hit go to overworld, so I guess I can get rid of. What is it called? The tutorial. Oh, is it? I dropped down. X to tongue grapple, and hold wall climb. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, is it? No. Oh, what the fuck was that? How did I do that? Okay. I mean, I technically did it. You just bounce against the wall? You know, I feel like I don't understand. Super block. The longer you hold X, the further you're propelled. Oh my god. Is that, maybe that's what you want me to do. Okay. It does throw me off a little bit with our guy's little jump. Is this bad? Okay, well that answers that question. Okay, okay, you are a little floaty with these. Or maybe, you know, you're not a little floaty. It's a platformer. You just need to be precise. This is a pain. Okay, hold on. Whoa, what is that? What, did you see that? We were purple. How are we? Oh! What does purple mean? What? Okay, hold on. Oh, purple probably means you have two wall tongues. And then now you're out. Oh, look at, he changes. Hold X to wall climb. Okay. Oh, you just do it for me. I don't have to. Cool. I could just hold X crazy. Bing bom 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 bing bong. Cool. Cool with that. Okay. Okay, that seems fishy for a second. Oh. But okay, now did you give me a peace sign or was that pinky and pointer? Okay, so there's tutorial. Here's swamp. Oh, they give you time. You can see the times out the gate. Okay. Let's croak it up. Croaky. Croaky McGee. Oh. I'm sure somebody can figure out the movement in this, like, and make it, like, feel real good, but I was like, that was... I don't know if I'm gonna be one of those people, but I'm, you know, it's not that I won't try it, but I'm, not one of those people. Oof. Look at this. Look at this shoes. Cool, you did that. Now you probably want to go bam. Okay, so no, you just wall jump, I think. Yeah, you just wall jump and you get that. I almost said key. That's not a key. Okay. I want to say there's a good. I mean, platformers, you're kind of supposed to die a little bit if you just call them void outs. But sometimes it's like fun to see your deaths at the end of it, and sometimes like, oh, I died 200 times doing this simple level. I don't want to know that. You. Okay. Man, yeah. Okay. Only the first coin, no big deal. Okay, how do I? Bam, bam. Oh, there it is. Oh, you have to survive, huh? Yeah, okay, you have to survive. Cool. Oh, okay, what is this? I'm guessing. Okay, so I keep thinking you hold X and you have infinite. It's not. Oh, yeah, I know what I'm doing. Oh, well, hello there. But yeah, I swear I haven't played this game before. And usually it's like but you can actually kind of tell by how fuck. Oh, maybe I just actually do this. Okay, probably not supposed to go the underway. Oh, Oh no, are you supposed to do this? Oh. Huh. I can't do, can I just, oh, I can, oh, you tap it. And then from here I can go bam. And here, and then we go bam. Oh, okay. Okay, so you can tongue tackle. Oh, I think, is this one of those ones I was overthinking it? Yeah, I think so. Oh, hold on, I don't fucking think so, bro. I don't fucking, shit. Nope, 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 okay. That was rude. Nice. Okay. Okay. You know, so far, 5 minutes in, I'll say, sometimes I play platformers and I'm like, oof, I'm not fucking smart, and this is not one of those ones at the moment that makes me feel dumb. Now, is that going to change in 10 minutes? I think, you know, maybe. Hold on, is it? No, that's not that one. I'm trying to gather. I'm trying to do, if you hug it and then quick tap, then you can kind of, okay. I think this is just oh wait, oh! Okay, that right there is nice, where you see the path and it doesn't immediately get rid of it for you. It's ooh, it's it just reveals it. Well, hold on. Okay, I was like, well, hold on, I'm gonna go back. No, this is the secret coin. Okay, yeah, I kind of like it over here anyways. Oh. I'm guessing maybe I just write it down and it would still be better to do, yeah, and just jump. Just jump. Oh. Okay, yeah, no, I knew that. 100%. Okay. Oh, so this room's coin down is progression. Oh, okay, I wanted you not to do that. Frickety frack. It does wall bounce real quick, though sometimes it just maybe not best. It's best not to super bounce. I need you to. If anything, it's just I just need to touch this out like that. Yep. Panic. Panic. Well, that's fine. Okay. Well, that technically worked. Oh, come on, motherfucker. Oh, okay. So, sometimes I guess I'm touching it a bit. Oh, alright, that's into the thorns. Okay. Can you please not do what you're doing right now? Oh, I almost bounced it. Got it, okay. Oh, you. Okay, we do a quick punch. Well, we. Oh, you know what? Maybe we wall bounce it. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. I was like, how do we do that? It's wall bounce, hold, land, jump. Oh, fuck. That was too quick. Wall bounce. I think you have to quick release. Oh, yeah, see? I landed. So you can't, you gotta sit there and, oh. Okay, you probably have to flip the top. How do you do, oh, you know what? Well, not that way. Please, sir, may I have this coin? Oh, like that. That's how you do it. Oh. No big deal. I'm just struggling on basic platforming. There we go. I keep wanting to dash. And I don't think there's a dash at the moment. Oh. Oh, that's okay. Yeah. Well, I'm guessing that's progression. Yep. Now what do I do? Oofy, owie, my bones. Oh, oh, I feel it. I can see it. I can see the code in the matrix. I can see it, but I can't execute it. Or can I? How many coins are in a level? 10? That makes sense. Now you're... I hope I don't miss one, because if I miss one, I will be sad. Okay, well, hold on. I gotta... You can't do this to me. Okay. I was like, what is that here at the bottom? Oh, so good. Oh, wait, hold on. What is that? What is that? Oh, what is this? What is this thing? Oh, you give us a scout? Okay. I love that. Okay, cool. So you just drop down, bounce, bounce, land, bounce? Okay, cool. Well, give me a second. I came from the other way, so I gotta check what's over here. Okay, no, we know that. Oh, you murdered me. In my face. Hold on. I think... Is this just... I'm assuming this is not a coin. Oh, okay, this is backwards, so die on purpose? Perfect. Okay. Nah, I'm good, man. Thanks. Oh. I need you to... Please. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay, well... Okay. I had to check. Oh, I'd stand... Alright, well that's a little fucked up. Because I was standing on the platform over there. I had to check something, so you should have given me that checkpoint there. That would have been very nice, because... Come on, look, I'm already looking for secrets. Let me look for secrets in peace. I guess if you just advance the screen, but... I don't want to fucking do that. Okay. Well, let's check this right here. That's kind of satisfying. I have played this game for the past 10 minutes, so I should know how to just... Oh. Okay. Oh. This is just run through, right? Oh, that's... Okay. Well. That's what I get for trying to do it with one hand. Okay, that was with two hands, but there's no excuse. Yeah, I want to dash. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm like, oh, is this it? Ah. The panic correction. Give me that dash. Give me my dash. You can change how the grapple behaves in the options. What does that mean? What does that mean? Accessibility? Number of jumps? Oh, okay. You can do double... So you can just... Oh, hold on. Let's see with this. That's pretty good. Hey, it's Kirby the Frog. Okay, that's pretty cool. Infinite okay, so you have two. Okay, cool. Well, if I died there and you made me go back, I would be sad. Ah, fuck, that's not what I needed. Oh. Okay, quick tap? Fuck. Hug quick tap. Okay, that's, thorns in my asshole. Fuck, man. Oh, you know what? I was like, how do I do that? Oh! I'm guessing that's close. Ah! Why did I jump there? Ah, okay. So no, it's grapple once in air, land on... Ah, shit. I think it's double grapple, land on second, and then... Fucking balls, bro. Is it double grapple? Ugh, not bad. Fuck. Okay. I need to... Oof. Maybe... Am I overthinking it? Well, it's not that. Well, that answers that question. Honestly, wait, hold on. What did I just do a minute ago? How did I solve it? Don't fucking remember. Okay, well, that was just straight up fucking red, dude. What are we at? 9? Oh, or hold on, was that 10? Oh, we're at 10. Is that it for the level? Oh, shit. See, also with this a platformer and like we haven't seen enemies, I believe. Well, I just said I believe we haven't seen enemies. I believe there are bosses in this game. Oh, okay, that's so interesting. So if you do it in 5 minutes, you get... Oh, you know what? 5 minutes might only be the mushroom. Then if you do it under 20 deaths, it's silver. So I'm guessing 10 or 5 would be gold. And maybe like 2 minutes is golden time. So you have to do it like five deaths in 2 or 3 minutes. And I guess you wouldn't take any of the gold coins because you just get those, I'm guessing. And you... Yeah. That's interesting. Oh, you have a whole... Okay, demo, so 12% for the level. If I went back and... Oh, total coins. So there's 10 in this one, 5 in the next one, I think. But you have a total death, thanks. Oh, fantastic. Croaky frog. Can I? I'm checking. Oh, what? Hold on, wait, what? Why would huh? Oh, I said there are no enemies in here. Wait, hold on, did I say that? Can I angle? What is this? Oh, what are you trolling me with right now? Hello? Oh. Is it jumps? Wait, hold on. What is this fucking thing in the corner then if it's... Oh. Is it jumps or is it grapples? Are you... You're not booze, are you? Hello? Okay. Is there some sort of lore I need to know about now? Oh, it's jumps. Okay, that is good to know. I wonder if it's here. Here. Okay. Is that it there or no? This is burning my brain already, huh? Did I not hit it quick enough with these? Okay, I just hit the side. What do I do here? What do I do? Oh. You know, simplicity. Oh shit. Simplicity is not my strongest suit. Oh hey, thanks. Fuck off. Wait, simplicity, right? Is that what I was thinking? Is that what I said? Oh, I was like, wait, what? What in the bloody hell? Oh, I thought it was gonna be hooked. Oh! I was like, what? Hold on. Ah, fucking balls. You owl little bitch. That's fine. Suckers. The wall jumps. You got something good there, I'll give you that. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Interesting. I don't know why I had to do that. Okay. You get a jump each, so skip a platform. Okay. And when you bounce off the head, are free. Those are free jumps. Yeah, I thought that looked familiar. Not familiar. I thought that looked sketchy. Not sketchy. I thought that looked. Oh shit balls! Like, oh shitties. I thought that looked. Fuck. Your pacing is weird. It's one of. Okay, it's weird. Do I have to? Okay, I can't lick them. I can just straight up eat these balls in the face. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Thank you. I feel like it's a little. Oh, hey, that. Huh. Interesting. Yonka. You know, don't mind me. Eesh. Okay. You can't be the same pace with it. It's gotta be led a little bit. There we go. There we go. Oh. Alright, well. My brain is currently malfunctioning. Hold on. Good thing they made this that way in particular, because I ran into the other room with the coin, and if I didn't have it there, I would be upsetty spaghetti. But not anymore. Okay. We'll learn a lesson one of these days. There we go. Oh, hey, well, never mind. Wait, hold on. That looks like the right way to go. I don't want that. Okay. Fucking thorns in my ass. Fuck. Fuck, man. How do I do it? Oh, fucking got it. Okay. No, I want you to be. I had it correctly, because now I jump and you're full. No, actually, this is right. Jump. Go by. Good old fucking dick balls. Okay, that's what I want. So you need to be here. No, I have it inverse. I need you to invis, because you're here. Now you're gone. Now you're bam, and then ha. Wait, is it the right path? Because the other one had arrows and I skipped it. Okay, well, I'm getting coins, so I would assume this is what I wanted. Oh, but how do I do this? How do you make me do this? Well, I may be right. Okay. Sometimes the answer is right there, just slapping you in the fucking face. Fuck, I had it right. Fuck. Hee. Bye, bitch. Why are you there? Okay. You're there for this reason. Fuck. Oh. Oh, wait, what? I'm confused, why? Oh, I know why. Fuck. Okay, now I need to do a tiny hippity hop on the way, but after that one. Okay, so, yep, and then, oh, thank you. Oh, we had it. We had it, we choked it. There we go. Fuck, you have to follow the momentum as you jump. You fucking little bitch. You little bitch. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Oh, please. Oh, I didn't, like, so close. We're so close yet so far. And, oof. Fucking... let me kill myself when I need to kill myself, okay? God damn. Okay. Oh! 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 Okay, you can just make the jump again this way. Ho 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 ho! Oh, does that? I think it just makes it easier that way, huh? Okay, I see the issue here. I need to do. Okay. What? Are you saying my frog's head is soft? Okay. I need to do a quick little fucking balls, you dick. Alright, we're fine. Shit. Bro! I need you to chill. I'm trying to check this thing. Okay. That answers that question. That's what I was trying to check first. Okay, now here, I'll just get up real quick. Let's try. Bye-bye. I want to look underneath, but I can't. Oh, wait, hold on, wait. Oh, no, we're fine. Oh. You can just shoot it into my ass? Okay, no. That seems problematic. Kind of. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay. Well, we know how to... This is actually... It's very simple, very easy, but it's also... Fuck. Okay. That wasn't on me. That was on you not doing the jump correctly, Froggy. What is this frog's name? Froggy McGee? Oh, there's vines at the top. There's vines at the top that make it hard. Bonk. Thanks. Oh. Woo! Oh, wait, hold on. I'm immediately doing something stupid. Okay, I was like, hold on, what is this? There's a thingy right there. Hee. Go away. Honk. Ooh, who needs to think when you know what to do? Fuck. Okay, well, that was a pretty good timing there. Fucking dick nuts. Okay, well, that worked out. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. Yeah, I see what we got. You guys just like to troll people, huh? That's what you like to do. Fucking piece of dick. Okay. We gotta keep you, then we jump on you, then yeah, we do the same thing we did last time. We do that, we let you bounce, then we do this, and then we freaking, how do we die? Did the bush kill us? Did we get killed by the bush? Okay, you gotta learn to not move. It's a crazy thing to think of in a platformer, but you gotta learn to just not move. What if you just don't? Fucking balls, damn it. Just don't move. My brain is short-circuiting. Okay. I'm deteriorating. Okay. Or not. Sometimes it's easy peasy. Oh, I can't just drop down. I can't just drop. Okay, well, you're saying go down. But what if I don't want to? Well, but you did say point. You are pointing downwards. Oh, wait. No, wait. No. What? Fuck. Did I miss a coin? Missed 2 coins. Oh, I missed one at the beginning. Damn. Okay. Okay. What is this last one? Oh, is it just a boss? Oh, I need, for demo purposes, let's lock behind gold medals. Oh. Oh, it's Carnival? What is this one? It's, oh, it's 5 minutes and, okay, I think this is the boss, so let's send it. Wait, are we fighting a capybara? You making us fight a capybara? Oh, no. Hey, what if you just didn't? What if you freaking... Oh! Hold on. Okay. Well, alright, you know what? That's... Oh. Oh, I gotta hit you, bonk you in the nose? Oh! Or, okay. You don't do collision damage, I like that. Oh. Okay, so I have to hit you in the nose, the shiny part of the nose, that's it, right? Cool. I can pop damage right on you immediately. Cool. Now what do? Do I not? I gotta wait for you to actually land your jump. I don't think I can hit you from there, but I can. Okay, so you gotta ride at me. Ride at me! Cool. And I can't. Can I bonk your nose whenever you're laying on the ground like that? I can. Oh. Okay, this guy's fucking fake. Fight. Man, I can't believe y'all had me murder a capybara. That's fucked up. Oh. Okay, well, hold on. You know what? You came back to life. My bad. It is still fucked up. I'm fighting a capybara, you know? Oh. Oh, you're quicker. Okay. Oh, you have a fucking armadillo, huh? Yeah, not armadillo, but your hide is... Okay, what is this? Oh. Okay, I panicked. You guys have me panicking. Why you having me panic? Okay. Oh, it looks like you're immediately putting in a spacesuit. That's nice, but I can handle it all from the beginning. I just freak out for no reason. Oh, okay. Well, that's a new little trick. I didn't know you had that little tricksy on you. Oh. Whoops, where are you? Come on. Come on, ball. Oh, you're not doing a double? Oh. Wasn't it the bike? Where's your double? I know you do a double. Where's your double? Okay, oh, that is straight up rude. Oh, so I'm guessing you have 3 phases, is what I would assume. But your fight is pretty quick, so if it's 3 phases, it's not bad. You are speeding up, though. Except that little bike ride. Oh, girl, fucking... I can't be mad at you. I just know that. What did I say a minute ago? Oh, this guy is easy. This guy's cake. This guy's cake. Fuck. You gotta give me a tongue extension, you know what I mean? Fuck. Come on. I don't want to be like, look. Okay, I don't want to be right on him. Come on. Give me a tongue upgrade. I need to power up my tongue. Oh, strength. Okay, I guess it pays to be closer to the boss. Isn't that the same in basically, oh my god, in every game? It's like, you can't always, except shooters, it's like, don't be far away from the boss. And except we're shooting this guy with our tongue. Yeah, get fucked. Okay. If we smack him with the tongue, we are liable to damage. Sorry, the wall bounce. We're liable to damage. So here it comes. Be prepared. Oh, there's so okay. I think we can bounce further than I think I can with that, and I need to just do that. Oh, your eyes popped back up, and I was just able to damage you. Is that intended? Okay, hold on. You. Oh, okay. I was ready for you that time. Oh, yuck. Yeah, go ahead and put me in phase 1. I can deal with you in phase 1 and 2. Get bonked in the nose. I'm gonna boop your snout. Hey, fuck. Oh. Good thing for the double wall bounce. Oh, fuck. Okay, punched you in the eye, you know. Fuck! You're a troll. 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 Okay. Alright, come on, phase 3. I know that's not real. Oh, wait, you did. Oh, it's just 2 phases. Okay. Okay, well, then that would have been fine for phase 1 and 2 together. Wow, still only in bronze, huh? Oh my god, it failed at death too. Fuck. Okay. You know, pretty good. I usually don't feel like I'm good at platformers, but that one I felt pretty good about. Unique mechanic, bouncing around everywhere. For not having a dash as a platformer, which I'm sure that like Mario doesn't have a dash, but it's not what I expected. But I'm seeing people play this or the demos and stuff. It's been real cool. Alrighty, I'll see y'all later.